Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to maintain your hearing aid. So what we need is your hearing aid, we need a pack of filters and a pack of domes, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the dome off the head of the speaker, which is this rubbery piece here. And what I'm doing is just grabbing a hold of it and just taking it off like that. So there's your dome and there's the filter there, that's the white tip, okay? So what we're going to do now is take out a filter out of the pack. Okay, we've got a blank side and we've got a new filter ready to replace the old one. So what we're going to do is push the blank side into the head of the speaker and you'll feel it click into place. That's it there. And now what we're going to do is pull it out. So we've got an old filter and we've got a new filter, and we're going to push in the new filter into the speaker and you'll feel it click into place. Now just pull it out. So there's your filter replaced. So the filters are only one use, the dome is one use. So if you take a dome off, you replace it with a brand new one. The dome is like a little cap, and all we're doing is pushing it straight onto the head of the speaker. And just use the tip of your finger just to press it down. And that's your dome replaced.